snow's in my face. Okay. Jake, we might get stuck. Hi guys, sorry for interrupting the video, but I'm just here to tell you guys something before the intro starts. If you're new to my channel, or you haven't seen my channel before, it would mean really a lot to me if you liked my video, and subscribed, and turn the bell icon on, just like that. See, right here, there's like, subscribe, bell, ding, ding, ding. Anyways, guys, let's roll the intro. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday. I think it's Tuesday, I'm not sure. It's either Tuesday or Wednesday, guys. I'm pretty sure it's Tuesday. I'm going to go with Tuesday. Anyways, guys. So, yesterday, guys, title vlog, we're going to get snowed in. Well, we didn't get snowed in, but we did get about 4 inches of snow, roughly. We get to go play in it, Jake. Me and you. We got to go get the chickens and get them some water. My uncle's going to come help me with the chickens so they don't get out, so they don't hurt their feet. Well, it snows like this, we like to keep the chickens inside the chicken house because they'll get frostbite in their feet. They walk around in the snow. But, yeah, they don't, it's going to be a pain because we got 30 chickens now. And I got to go give them water, and I don't even know if I can do it or not by myself. My uncle's going to come help me. But before that, we're going to take my dog for a walk. Right, Jake? Anyways, guys, let's get to this started. I will cut back in a minute. Hi, guys, I'm back. We're going to, actually, we might have got a foot of snow. Gee, look at this. Look how much snow. Gee. I didn't realize it was actually, and it's still snowing. Woo! Whoa, look at it here. Notice it fell off the roof. If I can make it on steps without falling on my face, we'll be fine. Whoa. Okay, now that's like 2 feet of snow there. That's pretty ridiculous. Come on, Jake. We gotta go this way. Come on, Jake. Like, you see how the snow blew all up against the... Whoa, Jake. Jake. Kitty. The cat. Kitty. Jake, come on. Jake, come on. Don't untangle yourself. Come on, Jake. Don't get... Oh my gosh. Okay, we went through the worst part of it, and I shouldn't have went through this deep stuff. Okay, we might have got a foot of snow. Gee. And it's still snowing. Yay. Jake, really? Kitty, I'll let you in a minute, I promise. I gotta take Jake around first. Look at this. There ain't nothing. It's just white. It's pretty cool, actually. I love it. Look at the nice trees. Huh. We might actually get snowed in if it keeps snowing like this, guys. Woo! See, this is what it used to be like when I was a kid. It'd be like this all year long, but it'd be deeper. You'd have at least this much snow all year. And every once in a while, you get like 2-3 feet of snow. This is what it used to be like. Yep, just bring back the memories. Memories of the old days, Jake. You can't even see the tree stumps here because it's so high. Woo! I'm at the to watch my dog because he might get hurt and limping. Kitty, I'm sorry. I'll let you in a minute. Kitty, I'm sorry. Cat's flipping out mad. He's like, let me in. Whew. Oh yeah. This is some stuff. Whoa. 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 Whoa, baby. Can't even see where I'm going. The snow's in my face. Okay. Jake, we might get stuck out in the snow, buddy. I really need to go see if I can get the chickens some water. Oh yeah, this is what we call winter around here. Yep. Now this is winter. Yep. Yip-a-daisy. This is how it used to be, Jake. Jake, we're going this way. Come on. Whew. I can't see. I hate this coat. The only thing I like about this coat is it, the hood comes down to my eyes. I literally can't see anything. Oh man. Whew. Yep, this is winter, guys. Winter is officially here. Yep. Yep and dandy. Oh man. Oh, baby. Whoa. Whoa. Look at the car. It is covered in snow. Jake, I'm not taking you up to chicken house. I'm putting you back inside, which we're going right now. Man. Whoa, baby. I can't see. It snows in my face. Jay, don't go underneath there. Whoa. Well. Guys, I will come back in a minute. Once I get back inside to get done with the chicken. So, hi, guys. I'm back. I'm Frosty the freaking snowman. We gave the chickens water. It wasn't actually frozen. It was just, they just needed some water because it was just nasty. But they didn't get out. Thankfully, my uncle helped me out there a lot. But man, it is pouring down the snow. We got like a foot of snow. We're supposed to get another 5 inches. So we might get 2-3 feet of snow if we keep doing this. My mom, I don't even know how she's going to get home. All she has is a van. And she's got stuck this morning. And I don't even know how she's going to get home. It's crazy. It's going to be crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Snow. I love snow. I love this kind of weather. But I don't like it when it gets really, really bad. Like, maybe we'll get snowed in. That'd be fun. We did get snowed in one time since we moved up here. It was like 2 days because we got like 3 feet of snow and we couldn't go literally anywhere. And it was like 3 days because after like the main roads were basically clear, but we couldn't get out of the driveway because it was like 3 feet, so we had to shovel it out for like a day. And then the next day was like 70 degrees, so it all melted in like 2 days. Which is weird. But, man. Anyways, guys, I will cut back in a few minutes. I gotta do some stuff. So, hi, guys. I'm back. We're surviving Antarctica. It feels like it. It's actually not that cold. It's just a lot of snow. Well, not really a lot of snow either. What do you think about the snow, Dad? The dogs don't like it.
I love it.
What's your opinion on the snow, Mom?
Bring my car home.
What's your opinion on the snow?
I like my car at work.
What's your opinion on the snow?
I hate it.
Why? What would you rate it out of 10?
Huh?
What would you rate it out of 10?
One's bad.
What?
One's bad. 10?
No, 10 is good.
Oh, 0.
What do you rate the snow out of 10?
I love it.
What do you rate the snow out of 10?
I don't care.
I give it a 25.
You wanted it.
I did. I do like
Get
it.
out there and shovel it.
Well, I did. Not
No, you
really.
didn't.
I know. You didn't. You almost hurt yourself.
I did too.
When did you shovel it?
This morning.
There was no snow this morning.
My
It
ass.
was like 2 inches this morning.
Oh, whatever.
Wasn't it?
No,
No, there wasn't.
start piling up.
Not until recently.
No, you
Well,
bad.
I know better. I've seen it. You didn't see it.
I saw it more than you did today.
I can't clean off from one bag.
No.
Benny, come on.
How long? You know there's been on the floor for like ever, right? All them tacks.
Benny,
What?
filming those.
I'm not filming it. I was just telling her that those tacks have been on the floor forever.
Oh, bad.
I gotta get to bed. I gotta work in the
I
morning.
did too.
I gotta work in the morning too.
Get your ass up and shovel out snow.
Oh, I plan to. I'm gonna shovel a path for the chickens too.
Good.
I'm gonna shovel the whole chicken coop.
I'm not.
You know what?
I'm not. Something wrong with the hell.
It's a walnut.
Well,
That means- Yeah, walnut.
Yeah. Probably when we was
Yeah,
trying to
that's
crack
not a
them.
walnut, is it?
Probably when we was trying to crack
It's
them.
like a peach thing. Peach seed. I don't know, plant that, we'll see what grows. Jake, I'm not taking you out.
Do you know how long that's been there? Probably wouldn't even grow.
Yeah, as long as it got cold and whatever. Plant and see what grows.
Choo, Jake. Woo,
Go outside, take him out.
woo. You farted?
I don't see it, Benny.
Well, it's either there or it's on top of the table. Because it probably fell on top of the table.
Jake, get down, Jake.
Because I looked underneath there too and I
Come
couldn't
on,
find
Jake,
it.
don't make me go out there again.
Oh.
Mom, come with me to take Jake out. Because he
No,
doesn't,
I'm going to fucking bed.
he can't, he doesn't take the snow very well. He'll hurt himself. Mom.
You told me to look for something, so give me a minute.
Well, after you're done, me and you'll take
No,
Jake
we're
out.
not.
Then my dad's gonna hurt himself when he can't take the cold and he can't walk into that deep
Come
snow.
on, Jake.
He's gonna come back all out of breath and hurting. Mom,
Give me a minute, Benny. I'm trying to look for the fucking name you said you did.
say yes so my dad doesn't do it.
Give me a light, I'll take him out.
No.
Man, I don't see it nowhere.
I'm getting him off of me. Come on, Jake.
It fell down because I was using it to hold the cord up, which it needs to re-tape back up.
Ow. Ow. stick myself.
Yep, want to go out?
Uh,
I know, Jake.
I think he's just mad because he can't run around. Because he used to be walking down the road every day.
I just go out. You pooping today?
Not for me. Did he do anything for you?
I didn't even know who it was.
You didn't take him out this morning?
Damn it.
You didn't take him out this morning?
Well, Piggy. Well, he did.
Yeah, I was going to say, I thought you did because he has color.
Oh, I found him.
See, I told you. Thank you. Alright, let's take Jake out. Me and you. He can't handle the snow, especially walking through the deep stuff. He starts hurting real bad.
Walk him around, right?
He starts hurting real bad. He did it earlier.
He
and
won't
about
go
hurt
very far
himself.
anyway, dear.
Yeah, not in the snow.
I don't want that.
No, he won't.
I used to go down past the road until you stop that cat food.
There's something dead underneath the house. Oh, really?
It's Jake's farting.
I'll film
No,
nothing.
it's something dead.
Rotten potato. Still filming.
No. Would I do such a thing?
Benny, come on. I'm gonna smash that phone one of these days.
Then do it!
I will.
Do it now! You know. Calm down. You gonna tell me about? You gonna tell me it was wrecked 3 times coming home? And
No, then I'm out there.
you told me you did.
I did not.
Yes, you did. You said you lost control of your Jeep 3
I
times.
did not criticize right now.
My dad said he needs new tires too.
You really do.
No, I didn't.
Yes, he did.
Come on, Jake.
No.
I'm gonna take him out in a minute.
Yeah, see that? Dad! Don't do it. Me and Mom's got this.
You won't go out with you guys.
Yes, he will.
That was a mean twin.
He is not. We are not. We aren't. There we go. Right words.
Go with him.
Mom, he need, no. Mom, you don't tell, no. Do not let him go out there. He's going to hurt himself. He can't take the cold. He can't take, no, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Mom.
Fucking coffee, that's what I needed.
Oh, man, I have my coffee. So I'll get some. Honey. Honey. You better go get some.
Mom. Dad, you're not going. Mom, tell him to stay.
Hold on.
Mom. Help me out here. He can't take the cold. He really hurts himself when he goes out there.
Let me take him out.
Just him walking up here hurt his chest.
Really?
Yes, you did.
Count.
Well, it's true. You need to
I don't
stay.
care. Everybody don't need to know.
Well, you need to stay in here. Well, listen to me.
Filming.
Listen to me.
Oh, I'm gonna fuck that phone up.
Listen to me.
I have to listen to you.
Yes, you do. I know better than you.
You don't.
You're a stubborn old man.
And
And that you need to listen to your son.
no.
Yes. Kitty cat, isn't that right?
What's it like?
You don't want to know.
Give me a light.
No, you're not going out there.
Honey.
Me,
Just give it time.
he's gonna hurt himself.
Go with him.
It doesn't matter. Just him walking around hurts him.
Give me a light.
He's gonna hurt himself. You can deal with him, Mom. Mom, you shouldn't maybe. He's gonna hurt himself.
I told him no.
Well, if you would have stopped saying you was gonna do it, and not tell him to go.
Yeah, is this from the chicken?
Yes, Mom. You shouldn't have told him that. He would have stayed here if you had said you was gonna go with me.
Hey, I was going to go.
No, you wasn't. You kept telling me to go with him, and I don't want to go. Oh, and now you made him mad.
Yeah, yeah,
See?
that's mad.
Yes. Now he's gonna hurt himself real bad. You'll see how bad he is when he comes back. If he, Mom, you really shouldn't have did that.
I told you I was going to go.
No, you kept saying you go with him. I'm going to frick the bed. Oh, I don't want to go out there. You never said I'm gonna go. You should just say I'm gonna go and leave it at that. Not mess with him. Now he's gonna hurt himself. You see when he comes back. Because he can't take the cold. Walking through that deep snow, it hurts him real bad. Guys, I will cut back in a few minutes. I'm gonna go into the vlog. So, hey guys, I'm back. Good to go vlog. Did really that day. Had a lot of fun out in the snow, running around in the snow. I don't know what Mom's doing. She's in there having a field day. And my dad's outside walking in the snow, hurting himself for no reason because he wouldn't listen to me and my mom. Because he's a crazy old man. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Whoop, roll the outro. Whoop. Hello again, guys. Sorry for another video again, but if you made it this far, maybe you would like to watch more of my videos. They're going to be here, here, and here. Well, here's my channel to subscribe. Here's 2 videos that YouTube recommends. And I got, yeah, that YouTube recommends. Anyway, guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Woo!